Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Vice President kaseng United Democratic Party uba Allantry Dkhar mentaga janmi jong ka khatneu tarik urampang arajar arpulai ulai kren bikilat patai Kubor halor ka bam sap bam ngem bat ka jingti be an yu udaw yong ha ka jilla halor kite kimat na kalyang uba Allantry lo ang maga jingdawa jong kaseng UDP ban phaweng no yu gm sangma ha ka por bat kum menteri padi pe ya katanat kampo yeng bat kum juru katanat boarding kadai namar ba kadon ka jing keno bam sam bat kum kaseng ka bayat trailang bat ka NPP kam kwa bakin sha keno bagi don bentalang ha ka bam sap bam ngem ha ka bayade baga jingti be an yu udaw yong na kalyang uba Allantry lo ang banalor ka jingti be an yu udaw yong kidai ru ban pet ya ka jing pentrai kam ban pensange ban ti bat kit be an yu udaw yong.
The role of the opposition is always to criticize and attack regularly. Well, I have not been privy to their attacks and accusations, but in the various debates that I have attended, I have counted it the way it is supposed to be.
You have also mentioned that it was the UDP who have ensured that James was dropped as Home Minister.
See, just because we are in a coalition does not mean that we have to sing the same song, especially in light of the fact that we are heading to polls on our own. We have to espouse the cause of our own. And when I say that, I'd like to take you back to the time when points of differences were raised within the coalition to show that we have our own ideology, our own principles that guide us. That is why when there was a big hue and cry over the illegal transportation of coal and illegal mining, and Mr. James Sangma, the then Home Minister, was accused of being the culprit of facilitating all this, we as a party took it upon ourselves and impressed upon the Chief Minister the need to change portfolios. And the Chief Minister had done that, and fortunately or unfortunately he had handpicked our MLA to be the next Home Minister. Then came the MECL imbroglio, the Saubhagya scam, and then so many other scams that were Deen Dayal Upadhyay scheme that was riddling in MECL. There too we put our foot down and said we cannot tolerate such kind of happenings in the MECL. It is incumbent upon the Chief Minister to remove the Power Minister as well as the CMD, who was a very junior IAS officer then, who was heading, and that was done. So it does not mean that just because we're in the coalition, we have to defend each and everything that the government has done. Because at the end of the day, the buck stops with the Chief Minister. He leads the cabinet. He leads the government. We have only 3 ministers. We are not outnumbered even in the cabinet.
But we have seen illegal coal mining and transportation is continuing even after Bajim Sangma was dropped as Home Minister. What do you have to say?
Despite the fact that it was continuing, you should also check the data on the seizures, the number of trucks that were seized that were involved in illegal coal transportation. Efforts are being made, and it was very rightly pointed out by the Meghalaya High Court that the state needs central forces to monitor such incidents, because apparently it appears that the state police department is bereft of the required strength to impose the NGT ban.
So was the UTP in the know on the existence of a high level that facilitates all these illegal activities in the state?
We have come to know through social media, through media reports. Other than that, we have no knowledge.
Has the UDP at any point of time raised this issue with the Chief Minister? Why, a high level or a syndicate, as people allege, exist in the government?
Well, the Chief Minister had asked us to substantiate and prove that. So that process could not materialize because, as you know, there were other developments in the course of time, and we were more focused on getting our party to lead the government, because from the past experiences while partnering with the Congress in the previous government, then now with another national party, the NPP, we have come to realize that we need to appeal to the electorate to give us one chance, the way they did in 1998. But sadly, in 1998, the absence of the anti-defection law brought down the government in the middle of its tenure. This time around, we are hopeful that the people will listen to our humble appeal, that they will give us the mandate to lead the government, and then we will showcase our mettle, which we have proven in the past.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kapording ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung du boarding ha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Meghalaya ka jingsngan ha ke imlang sa alang ningkong baro ki jingeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kan teu sha ka shia jating ka shibnai kata ka long khat ar jating ka shisnem
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumpang, Shan ya ka sap jong pi haki artli kisentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.